Most gig workers overpay taxes every single year. Why? Because they don't know which deductions they can actually claim. If you're a rideshare driver, food delivery worker, freelancer, or side hustler, this video is for you. Today, we'll go over 5 powerful tax deductions that can save you money and keep more cash in your pocket. Welcome to GigLedger, where we help gig workers and side hustlers take control of their money. If you want more smart financial tips designed for the gig economy, make sure to hit subscribe. All right, let's dive in. Mileage and car expenses. If you drive for Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Instacart, or any app that requires your car, this is usually your biggest deduction. The IRS lets you deduct either the standard mileage rate or actual car expenses. Standard mileage. In 2025, it's 67 cents per mile. So if you drove 10,000 miles for gig work, that's a $6,700 deduction. Actual expenses. You can add up costs like gas, repairs, maintenance, insurance, and depreciation. Most gig workers save more using mileage. Just remember, tracking is everything. Use apps like Stride or Everlance to automatically log your miles. Phone and internet. Your phone is basically your gig HQ. GPS, apps, customer communication. It's essential. That means you can deduct a portion of your phone bill. If you use your phone 70% of the time for gig work, you can deduct 70% of your bill. Same goes for internet if you use it to accept jobs, manage finances, or communicate with clients. Don't claim 100% unless you literally have a dedicated work-only phone. The IRS likes reasonable percentages. Supplies and equipment. Anything you buy to do your gig work counts as a deduction. For delivery drivers, that might be insulated bags, phone mounts, or extra chargers. For freelancers, it could be software subscriptions, cameras, or even notebooks. Keep receipts. Even small purchases add up over a year. Home office deduction. If you do part of your gig work from home, say bookkeeping, editing, or client calls, you may qualify for the home office deduction. This doesn't mean you need a full office. A small desk or dedicated workspace can qualify. You can deduct a portion of your rent, mortgage interest, utilities, and internet based on how much space you use. If your workspace is 10% of your home, you can deduct 10% of those expenses. Just make sure it's regular and exclusive use for your gig work. Health insurance premiums. One overlooked deduction is health insurance premiums. If you pay for your own health insurance, not through an employer, you may be able to deduct the cost of your premiums. This can apply to medical, dental, and even long-term care insurance. For gig workers who buy their own coverage, this can mean thousands in deductions every year. Let's quickly recap the 5 tax deductions for gig workers. Mileage and car expenses, phone and internet, supplies and equipment, home office deduction, health insurance premiums. If you're tracking your miles, saving receipts, and keeping records, you're already ahead of the game. Remember, the more deductions you know, the less you owe. If this video helped you, subscribe to GigLedger for more smart money tips for gig workers and side hustlers. And share this with a fellow gig worker. They'll thank you when tax season comes around. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a tax professional. Always do your own research and consult a licensed advisor for your specific situation.